Makita na ito din sa ito, Miss Sports Fest 2010. Okay, hello Valerie.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, this is my question box. What is your ambition in life?
Kulas juga ni bata ni logitas ni nga bata.
How old are you ba?
Hi.
Okay. What is your ambition ba? Ano gusto niyo pag ako niyo ba? Okay, thank you, Valerie. Trixie May Fuentevelia. Good afternoon, Trix. Okay, senior gift. Okay. Prestigious again, and then sila karon. Okay, what is your ambition in life, Trixie? Gusto rin mo mula ko ka, Trix. Gusto ba kang mahing nurse? Teacher? How old are you, Trix?
Hi.
Okay, thank you, Christine. 5 years old. Let's have Lucy Marie Tijano Tiao. Hello, Lucy.
Hi, teacher.
Wow, beautiful kayo si Lucy karon. What is your ambition in life, Lucy?
My ambition in life is
Okay, thank you, Lucy. She wants to be a nurse someday. Then we have Miss Eunice Diburan Sanchez Catao, wearing an orange gown. Hello, Eunice.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, what is your ambition in life? Unsay kayong ganahan pag ako nimo? Okay, thank you, Eunice. Eunice also wants to be a nurse. Biel Clarice Mucha. Hi, Biel.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, what is your ambition in life, Biel?
I'm policewoman.
Okay, thank you, Biel Clarice. She wants to be a policewoman someday. Wow, kahanga-hanga kayo si Biel. Then we have Brianna May Tao. Hi, Bri.
Hi, teacher.
Okay. The same question, Japon ka, Bri. What is your ambition in life? How old are you, Bri? Okay. Anong gusto mo paglaki mo, Bri?
Love.
Okay. The lump of nurse. Thank you, Brianna. She wants to be a nurse. Then, Miss Chivini Kagaanan. Wow. Hello, Lori. Good afternoon.
Good morning,
Okay. Wow. Wow, guys. It's really cute. That's cute. Okay, Chief. ambition in life?
I want.
Wow, thank you, Shivimi. She wants to be a nurse like her mother. Then we have Miss Andrea Jasmine Durato.